Hello and good morning. This is Monday and we have a brilliant lineup today for you. From our recent launches that happened just last week of Rosanna and Golbuta, that's a collection that you're going to be seeing again and again. Beautiful pieces and of course new pieces, combinations, all of that and so much more in this live today. And yes, you can see we're all set for grandness this Monday morning because ये जो season है, जो upcoming season है, and in fact ongoing season है, it's of weddings. So many celebrations that are lined up everywhere. And it's the most beautiful time, the season to enjoy and wear so many colors, mix them, match them, textures that can be built up so well. So, on that note, we are going to be showing you lots of pieces today. There are going to be some combinations, some suit sets, some only fabrics, but yes, it's going to be one short, really hot session of showcasing some beautiful pieces to you. Okay, now the first one that I have, I'm going to start out with some darker colors. Now how we pair them up, how we wear them, what time is it, what function is it, what lighting is it going to be, is going to decide the pieces that you're going to be kind of going for. Now this is a Kariyal border in Karwa, and what we've done with this is that because this is a spread out booty and it's very beautiful and delicate, we have done a darker purple with a touch of green, but that combination that will make this look very, very grand. Now I could go for, you could say I could go for a red, but honestly I would like to kind of pair this entire look with this. Now let me just show it to you very, very closely so that you can see all the detail that's there. Yeah, now you can see that. A jal fabric, a lovely red dupatta, katan silk combination. Now you're going to be going either same on same if you intend to kind of make it really, really dressy. Now I'm going to show it to you right here. Let's show the fabrics, let's open them and give them all the details that you need to kind of be able to easily place your order. There should be nothing which is left to doubt. Now look at that, that's the jal fabric. You can see it right here. That's the back of it, the front of it. And now one quick glimpse that I'm going to give you is of this dupatta again so that you can see the whole combination. Plain silks for your dupattas, for your bottoms. When I say dupatta, I mean that agar aap ek heavy dupatta plain silk suit ke saath lena chahte hain, so that is always possible and we are very happy we can do it for you in any of what you have seen. हमेशा प्लेन सिल्क बॉटम में आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस है, इन सिल्क which is चिनिया सिल्क and then you have of course katan silk. Both are some great options. Now look at that, really nice. This is such a brilliant color. Now this is 6,800 per meter. What we're going to be showing you is this 32,800 ka dupatta and then a plain silk bottom in chinia. Now because this is katan silk, but with this I have worn it. It looks really nice and it kind of really works well. So let me just show it to you. Yeah, that's the combination that you're going for with a plain silk bottom. This beautiful color, so fresh, just perfect for the season that's about to be there. And yes, जिनके भी मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ, I will definitely tell you the prices. What I'm wearing is of course a grand Rosanna. It's luxury for every day that you can build it up, you can wear it, it's just absolutely amazing. We do have the colors in it, which will come to you a bit later. Okay, but before that, I am going to be showing you this, and look at that, this wonderful dupatta, a pastel pink, such intricate bandhni, and thank you so much, love to all of you. And yes, so this one, it's a wonderful piece right here, but what is very special is the border. You will see this really delicate Karwa border, the Sona and the Rupa all there, and along with it you can see. Now first things first, let me just show it to you. I've done a very classic pairing of a gold with it. I will come to that a bit later, but let me just give you the details of this dupatta. It's pure Georgette Karwa border. This is 2.6 plus tassels. Now look at that, the tassels are done. The border, you will see this intricate zari work right here, all in Karwa, and such a beautiful color for this season. Or iske saath, I'm going to be showing you this very nice Tanchui fabric, which is about, let's see, this is about 5,800 per meter, and this dupatta that you can see right here. Okay, so you can see this dupatta and this, and yes, that's a great combination to be wearing. Yes, plain silk. Okay, I'll tell you, I actually tried when I was making this combination, I tried a lot of same base colors. Now, in some cases, why we purposely do a contrast is because the beauty of this piece will be enhanced even more. One thing is there, one is this gold fabric. Just look at it, it's so perfect. You know, it's a square design. It's going to be working with everything that you have. You know, it's a wonderful design. Look at it closely. I'm just going to show it to you so that you can see it here. And this dupatta along with it. And I think it looks absolutely brilliant. Look at that combination, okay? Same on same is the way to go about it for this fabric in particular, because you could be wearing so many pieces with it. I think we have forgotten one color of this. Ask Manali. There's one color. It has to be gotten here. So sometimes, yes, when we prep, and you know, it's Monday morning, we are on break on a Sunday. So Monday mornings can be so crazy. Yes, absolutely. For the piece that I was showing you, you can just go for dupattas. So I will tell you when it's a set, but when it's not a set, like what I'm wearing is a set, you need to go for it only as a set. I will bring the colors to you. We also have the natural beautiful color in it that's going to be there, so I'm going to be showing it to you in a bit. But in the meantime, I'm coming to all of the fabrics, and now this when I'm showing you, आप इसको एकदम बेशक अलग खरीद सकते हैं. You can just go for the dupattas, you can just go for the fabrics. They are very beautiful as sets. They're absolutely wonderful. Okay, now there you go. That's the orange. Look at that. What a hot, brilliant orange. You know, I'm doing a lot of orange this season. I think you need to, yeah. I am doing a lot of orange this season because I think it looks just absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's the reason that I'm going for it. It's also a color that you can kind of build. You can make it season specific. But because season specific hair, orange is something you can really build up, you know, with pinks, with orange on orange, with golds, all of that is possible. Now what I'm actually getting for you is the outstanding dupatta that's going to come with it. Now look at that. Here you go. So that's the fabric. This is the bottom. You could be doing vice versa. I will leave it up to you how you want to kind of go for it, but I think it's a brilliant one. But now I'm going to get the showstopper right here, which is going to be this. Okay, now let's show you this dupatta. Okay, it's just an amazing combination that I'm just so happy to kind of show it to you. Okay, first things first, I'm going to bring back the whole thing again back to you, but first things first, I want to talk about this Ramkat dupatta. You will see multi-colors, you will see Sona, you will see Rupa. You'll also see the touch of tissue. When you know you have a tissue integration in it, it's very difficult to make in a dupatta. But yes, you can see this brilliant, you know, such colors जो इतने well merged हैं, you know, and that, you know, there are of course sunset colors that I think you know, look really nice. Now when could you be wearing this? Honestly, a color like this is really about, you know, the occasion that you're going to be wearing it. It does not matter whether it's going to be evening or a morning event. You could be wearing it anytime. Can we increase the cooling as well? It's very hot. So here you go. Now look at that. There you go. This is one piece, and yeah, just a bit later. Yeah, that's it. Now that's the combination that you're going for. I think it's a brilliant three-piece you know, look that you could be going for. Really nice. And now from that we're going to move on to a category which is just going to be about fabrics. Okay, so now so far whatever I have shown you, आप उसको ensemble set माने, जो हमारे ensemble set होते हैं उनको आप अलग ले सकते हैं, साथ में ले सकते हैं. All of that is possible. उसमें what is very special is that you can take the fabric as much as you like, you know. That's the option, because suit sets, of course, there is, you know, what is made on the loom is what you get, but in ensembles that's always an option. Now look at that. That's our newest colors in satin silk. Now it's a classic, this color in satins. We've made it many times over, but for this motif that has just come, this is the first time that it's come. Okay, so it's really nice, and this is in Karwa. and you can see 7,800 per meter, and I think it's really versatile. You know, blue है, इसमें red है मीना. अब आप इसको red दुपट्टे के साथ पहने, you do just a really nice, very good same on same look. It's going to be looking amazing. Okay, we could do a lighter georgette dyeable dupattas. That's also an option. You could do that in red and blue, and you know, honestly, ठीक है मीना है उसमें red, but ऐसा नहीं है कि आप pink नहीं पहन पाएंगे. You will be able to do that. Okay, the next color that's up in this is the green. Now here you go. That's the green color. And I think it's really nice. Now I'm coming a little closer so that I can show you all the details that are there in it. Now this is a two-tone green. Green matlab this is basically a black base on which we've put in green thread, which is why you see such dark shades of it. So remember, it's a color that we've done on black. ये इसका मजा होता है because when these go on the loom, they look absolutely different in contrast to something which is green on green and things like that. So made on the loom, and yes, two tones like these are only possible when they're made on the loom. Okay? So that's the whole charm of it. And now that's the back. You'll see it will always have a kattan silk base and back, and the front is this wonderful deep shade of satin, also 7,800, right? And from that, okay, today we are also going to be showcasing some very beautiful Sachi Zari pieces to you. So that's also coming, and I will show you shades in that. So ekdam statement pieces hai. They're about, I think, 10 to 15 more pieces, but that's it. They're not too much. But every combination that you've seen so far and that you will be seeing ahead are a statement. Aap aaram se abhi dekhe. The moment our lives end, they're posted as videos on Facebook and Instagram, and you can see them. बहुत सारे प्राइजेस हम बताते हैं, बहुत सारे हम नहीं बताते. For that, you can come take a screenshot and come on WhatsApp. How are you going to be placing the order? You're going to be going on WhatsApp with the pictures of the pieces that you have liked and done. Now, this is from our very premium range of Sachi Zari dupattas. Even in the Sachi Zari category, we do a different range of pieces depending on the zari, depending on the weave. There are many factors to it. So yes, all of that is possible. This is from our premium range of real zari dupattas. Okay, so that's the whole charm of Neev. One day you will see a live, and the last live in fact of the last week, which was on Friday, you saw suit sets which were about, I think, 10,550, and beautiful ones, absolutely stunning. And there will be an occasion when you will be wearing that. There will be an occasion where you will be wearing this. So whatever you have in mind, from your day-to-day essentials to the grandest of occasions, we have something for you every day. So I hope, and I think, I think many of you have seen that live already. There was a statement, on cottons and lots of colors and beautiful pieces. And I think it's doing really well thanks to all of you. So I'm sure many of you have seen it. In case you've not, you have to see it now. From that, we know that it's the wedding season. We know that you've been looking for these beautiful pieces. So many of you building up on your trousseau. And yes, it is the time to do it. Now, look at that. That's an amazing combination. What you're seeing here is our Neev Buta in black. I'm not sure if I've shown it to you before. This is the first time I think we're showing you the Neev Buta in black. Okay, I always say it's such an honor for me when you decide to wear our logo for a brand our size, so small. It's so amazing that you love our logo and that you are, you love to wear it. And this one is the first one that we've done in black. And yes, I think we've tried so many different colors, and then we said, okay, we'll save black for the end. और वो बनता गया, आगे चलता गया, because they're such beautiful colors. But right now, yes, this is the combination. Now, with this, it's a cotton-based real zari dupatta. You have to have the details in person. But I think this Neev Buta, separately, it's such a great base. Separately, it's such a great look. So many of you have worn it just as a same on same, like a cord look. And it works brilliantly with any dupatta that you have in mind. But particularly today, I think this is a combination that really stands out and that we have loved making for you. Okay, yes. We deliver worldwide. Remember, from the day Neve was started, we have always done worldwide shipping. So wherever you are in the USA, Canada, you can do all of that. Yes, the one that I'm wearing is in fact available, and that's what I'm going to go into right away. This is our latest collection completely. Okay, there are many attributes to it. This is the first color that you see. This is also, of course, a signature color. When you think of summer wedding, when you think of something which is absolutely classy, everlasting, this is going to be your look for it. Of course, this is a composition which is in pure cotton, completely made in Karwa. Look at the detail of the dupatta. There is a bottom which has also been woven with it, and this is our newest design. Now, when you make a Ara design like this, it is जैसे आपने रंगकट देखा उसी तरीके से हम ये बनाते हैं, and the Meena is threaded step by step. Very time taking, very detail oriented, very skill oriented. So yes, उसके बाद तो of course ये बात आती है, they're very far and few who can make this, but yes, we do make the most beautiful pieces. And for that, in fact, you've seen all of that. Sab kuch haath se bana hua. So that's what you get when you are at Neve. The most stunning collection. Okay. Now, what it also introduces is our newest motive along with this design. And that's the new color. जो उसने नहीं था जब मैंने launch किया था. Now I'm going to show you this very beautiful natural color that's just come in Rozana. Now look at that. That's the bottom. Okay, you will see this border right there. I will also show पीछे हट के मैं अपनी detail भी अपने fabric की आपको at the very end I will show it to you again. But that's the kurta, that's the bottom, and the most fabulous dupatta with it. That's what we're going to show you now. Okay, let me just open it for you. It's absolutely exquisite. Okay, the natural color. Yes, ye dyeable hai. So that's one of the biggest thing that we wanted to also do when we were making it. We wanted to make it dyeable for you so that you say, because of course we make a particular palette, but you say I want it in black, I want it in green, I want it in lavender. Whatever you say, it is possible. Look at this very grand dupatta. Now let's bring the kurta. Now kurta is a 3-meter kurta, right? So that you can get the detail that you're looking for, like the finish, the weave, the most detailed one. Now the bottom, you have to have this zari and make sure that you use it. Don't miss on that. When you get your pieces, open them, see them. Now look at the dupatta, all absolutely clean, extensively made in this karwa weave. That's the dupatta for you. Yehi dupatta in fact मैंने भी पहना है. Mine is the signature color. It's a shade of pink. This is the second color that I'm showcasing to you, the natural color. And yes, our newest one. In fact, this is what we have done. Pieces धीरे बनते हैं. So we've, in fact, we have not shipped them yet because we wanted to show you all the colors right there. Here it is. And now I'm going to be showing you this one. This is the second color in it. You can see this beautiful color. That's the bottom. That's the dupatta. There you go. That's the dupatta. अब मैं इसको इधर अलग रखने वाली हूँ. And now I'm going to come to the kurta. इसका, in fact, I would like to open the kurta as well and show it to you, the whole. Let's show you. And there's so much fabric in it. There is so much possibility. Now, not only is the kurta ki design, okay? So, how things are, saved. Oh, hum aage banayenge, hum piche nahi banayenge. Because when we make that, we save on that. Half our cost just goes away there, right? But when we want to give you something, we want to go all the way because that's our style. So this is the back. This is the front. This is also the back. It's all over this beautiful big buta. It's all over. Kahin bhi humne isme, we have not kind of pulled corner that, we want to kind of make something and then we're not happy with it. So this beautiful motif, first look at the motif, the detailing, the 3 lines which actually just kind of change the whole look. I would say it's defining these 3 lines which are there. And then this dupatta with it. Now let me just show it to you once again, and then we have the last color. From that we'll move on to something entirely different. So that's the kurta, the bottom you have seen, and we are going on to the last color, जिसको मैं थोड़ा सा आपको जल्दी से दिखा देती हूँ, so that you can have an option of this one, and meanwhile we'll show you all the other beautiful things that we have had for you. Yeah, let's do that purple next. Okay, now I'm going to open this one. Look at that. Look at this wonderful piece right here. You can see that. You can see this. Let's show you this. There you go. That's the kurta again, the very last color that we have. But jab tak white hai and then we are making the whites, it's going to be possible to us to customize it in any color that you like. So that's the kurta, the dupatta and the bottom. There you go. This is what you're looking for, and it's a beautiful, the last color of Rozana for you to choose from. Okay, from that we're going to move on to the silk. जो मेरा है, मेरा दुपट्टा भी in fact है, and the styling I will show it to you at the very end again once. But before that I want to show you this very stunning look, and there you go. This is a Jangla Jal dupatta with meenakari. This is in fact a starting range of where it kind of all starts. Now for this Jal Katan silk dupattas. Now there you go, this is our latest Karwa, and in this new color, I think we've earlier done only a black of it. So there you go, that's the combination. With this, I would definitely say go for a plain bottom, because motifs thode bade agar आप straight look kar rahe. If you're going to go for some volume, then yes, you got to go for, then you can do the same on same. It will look really nice. In fact, the silhouette that I'm wearing today, and which is also there in our style videos on the page, is going to be something that you can adapt to just about any one of these pieces. Okay, and from there, we're going to be making, you've seen one black statement, which was with Sachi Zari. This is going to be the second black statement that I'm going to be making. And let me show you, this is a 6800 fabric, and with it you are seeing this very grand dupatta in black. I think we made it earlier once, and of course the black was all sold out very quickly. This is the second one that you're seeing. Now look at the combination. Can you get it completely? इनकी जो कई बार this screen थोड़ी छोटी पड़ जाती है for us to see. But I think we've made very good use of the years that we've gotten with the screen to give you that one window of perfection of Banarsi. All that you have to experience, with us is always there for you to see. So look at that, and I think that's enough for us to show you what we have today, because that's enough. Whichever live that you come to, I know you guys are so busy, it can be really sometimes a little time taking, to kind of go through it, but when you're here, we make it worth your time. Now look at that, look at this combination, it's just divine. It's just that perfect black heritage weave dupatta. This combination is just everything that you have been looking for. And kyunki I'm on this, I'm going to also show you one more combination. Now in this we've done, this motif launched last year. Internally hum isko Florence motif bolte hain because we launched it in Florence. But yes, it's one of the floral motifs that we have in silk, which was launched last year. Now the same dupatta in this very perfect cream gold color. Is color pe, because the Gul Bhuta is also of this color, a fabric that we launched this month, earlier this month. And वो भी यही कलर है, और कई आपने सबने पूछा है that whether it is going to be cream or is it going to be gold. Now I find it more cream. The zari is gold, but you can see, I mean, it's very subjective colors, but you can see how perfect this combination is, and with the wedding season, with Ramadan, these are going to be looks that are going to be so wonderful to kind of have. Now I have two stunning bani dupattas for you, and these I'm just going to do as just as dupattas. We have so many silk fabrics that you could be wearing this with, or you could even go for a dyeable georgette with it. If you say कि यार मुझे georgette ज़्यादा पसंद है, then we can do it for you. We also have an example where we're going to be showing you how you can kind of make up an entire set. But look at this grandness of this dupatta, and two colors bandhni, the most beautiful zari work, and of course very stunning. All details perfect. This one is ready to be shipped out, and इसी में इस design में मेरे पास दो colors हैं, which is what I'm going to show you together. So there you go. From that to this, and this is a wonderful, wonderful shade of green. Okay, from that we're going to jump into our statement rang cut organza dupatta as well. But let's show you this first. I think it's such a beautiful look. Now, I think it would look so nice with, you know, a green surely. But if you want to kind of keep it muted, then you could wear it with like a color that I'm wearing. Remember, what I'm wearing is a suit set. You can only get it as a set. But एक वैसा ही very very similar fabric है मेरे पास silk में, मतलब similar color के लिए मैं बता रही हूँ आपको. And I think this green looks very very grand with it. Let's show you that. Here it is. Oh, see? Now, because many of us want to wear green, but many of us worry that, you know, I want to see कि यार I don't make it too much. I think this is just perfect, you know, to kind of have a nice base, but to keep it muted. Of course, हम yellow कर सकते हैं इसके साथ. Of course, we can do a green. You know, all of that is possible, but I think this is real perfection. Or otherwise, just go for a same on same. Yes, I do have a very interesting yellow. I have it for some other reason, but I'm going to show it to you as a pair because this is like a kurta and bottom all in katan, and then I want to show it to you with this, like this, you know, see this is the combination, and you can go for it. So now I've shown you all that there was to show. You could go for a natural with something like what I'm wearing. It's a beautiful color in silk, the one that I was showing you, and then we've done this with yellow. So two options, and last of course is gold on gold. Gul Bhuta, our latest fabric, is also a great, fabulous fabric to have. I'm going to bring it a bit later because उसके पहले मुझे आपको तीन बहुत ही wonderful दुपट्टे दिखाने हैं in our rang cut organza dupattas, and that is what I'm going to be showing you. Now, first things first, look at that. Yes, you're seeing a lot of this color. This is, some could call it pink, some could call it light brown, but it is pink because it has a very strong touch of pink. Okay. And it's Ecru, ECRU. That's the exact color that this is. And yes, of course, when you make a collection, you make sure that a version of these colors is repeated, and again, you will see lots of different looks there. But this one now, you can see it's so different from any other the fabric that you saw, in fact, because of this pop of color which looks perfect. बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं, बहुत सारे कॉम्बिनेशन बन सकते हैं, बट व्हेन वी हैव पीसेस लाइक दिस, ideally what I want to do for you is, you know, I'll tell you exactly what I want to wear it as. I want to wear it as this. Now you'll see the reason that you want to make the dupatta stand out the most. Just wear it as a base color and leave the rest just to the dupatta. What a stunning combination, and it's just, you know, मेरा दिल मेरा खुद का खुश हो जाता है sometimes when I'm showing you, and sometimes, you know, because I'll tell you why it makes us so happy. This is made on a completely different loom at a different time by different karigar, सब कुछ अलग, and then you see a simple fabric like this. But remember, handloom में अगर हमें plain katan बनाना है, not only is it very very cost intensive, it's also very difficult to make a plain fabric on handloom, but on a different loom by different karigars. But you see the combination, it's like worth every bit. Now look at that, such perfection right here for you. Yes, आप चाहें तो आप जरूर इसको अलग ले सकते हैं, you know, just the fabric, just the kurta, but I tell you, it is so perfect that that's my job, to give you that and then leave you with the option that you say, yeah, that, you know, I want to go for just the dupatta or just the fabric. Sure. Now, the next up is this version of it, and look at that. It's a wonderful color. And iske saath, you know, again, you know, where's that silk fabric that was there with that earlier dupatta, you know, this color silk fabric? I think it's just gone back. I'll show you two versions of it. One, like the green, we can do plain katan with it. That would be beautiful with this, you know, like if you're thinking of wearing it for an evening event, you know, a reception, it would just be an amazing. I wouldn't say like the shadi day, more like in a reception or cocktail or something, like a nice party, you want to wear it. It's a beautiful color. Look at that, okay? Now, iske saath, what I have for you is this. That's, you know, so yes, one, you can have the base color. Two, I'm showing you this very subtle, very beautiful combination. अब आप चाहें कि इसको थोड़ा सा more traditional way में dress up किया जाए, then I have the most beautiful yellow fabric with it, which is what I'm going to be showing you now. Look at that. Here it is, this stunning, stunning, stunning yellow fabric. Okay, now there you go. I think it looks absolutely amazing too. It kind of completely changes the look. एक ये pop of color है, एक वो natural color के, the pink color. It's so classy. So yeah, build it up to the way that you want. We will help you visualize it, every piece that we are showcasing to you. Okay, from there I have a lot of options. I still have some about 6-7 stunning pieces that you get. The red also should come down, and then I'm now wondering कि मैं किस order में जाऊँ, but I have some very, very beautiful ones. I'm going to first thing start with another. You saw the yellow fabrics. Now I'll show you exactly why I brought the yellow fabric out. I brought it out for this combination. This is silk, katan, karwa, all of that, but the reason you're seeing it is this very beautiful dupatta right here. Now I'm going to show it to you like this. Just give me a moment for us to set it up, to show it now. There you go. That's a lovely pastel pink Sona Rupa with just a touch of Meena, and this exact same Meena, a Sachi Zari dupatta in our pure cotton fabric. Now there you go. Here it is. So now you can see. अच्छा, मैं एक चीज आपको बहुत interesting which I want to tell you. This is of course the real zari dupattas, which all are a premium. This fabric that you're seeing also, okay, this is also made in Karwa. This is also made in Karwa. This is also pure cotton. This is also pure cotton. This has Meena. This has a touch of Meena. Now the only thing wearing here is of course this zari. इसमें real silver zari हमने use की है. जहाँ आपको gold दिखता है वो सिल्वर, रियल सिल्वर तार है जिसपे गोल्ड की इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग हुई हुई है, एंड यू कैन सी द इफेक्ट. So yes, and in fact I want to tell you the zari that we use, especially not all are for cottons, but this cotton set that you're seeing here also uses 3%, not more than that, but 3% real zari, which is why the motifs come out so very clear. So I'm giving you everything, right? Because I'm giving you a look that's so classy. I mean, first things first, look at this dupatta. But of course, when it comes in a real zari, the price point goes to another level. But is it worth it? It's worth every bit of it. Now, look at this combination. And yes, again, the wedding, the Ramadan, these are the pieces that you're looking for to make up a collection. Ek aap le, but aisa le that, you will always remember us. But I'll tell you the fun thing. Whether you're going to be taking a 2.5 meter fabric from me, from this collection, you're going to be taking an entire set, you're going to take a dupatta, whatever it is, I always say go for one for the first time, and I know that you're going to be back again. That's the confidence that we always have in us with the products that we make. Okay, from that we are going to go to this dark and very lovely combination. Now you'll see this is the Meenakari version of this, and this wonderful, okay. Now there's many things very beautiful about it. Karwa fabrics will start at 6,800 per meter. Something like this will be 14,800 per meter. So you'll see the whole range, many reasons to how it is made. And with it, let's show you one dupatta like this. And yes, because we could have done any color from the piece, from the fabric, but I wanted to show you this green because I think it's such a great color to stand out against this. Now look at that. Here it is. Absolutely stunning, absolutely wonderful. Shikarga with this multi-Meena fabric, katan silk in Karwa. Just beautiful at another level. Agar aap ye bhi chahe ki, you want a plain bottom with it, of course we will dye it. You want it in green, matching the dupatta, that can also be done. So all of that is possible when you are looking for this. For the prices, guys, you have to come on WhatsApp. Take a screenshot, come on WhatsApp. So lots of times, like the last live, you will see that we will give out every detail, every price that is possible. For our premium price pieces, a live like such, the prices are always on request, which means that you will have to come to on our chat and just take a screenshot, come there, ask us the details and know everything. The length, the width, the color. कलर तो हम आपको हमेशा फैमिली बनाएंगे, एक जेनरिक बताएंगे, बिकॉज योर कलर माई कलर में बी डिफरेंट, बट ऑल द फैक्ट्स, द विड्थ, द लेंथ, द प्राइस, द डिटेल्स, all of that, the fabric that's there. Okay, from there we're going to go on to our Gulbuta fabric. Yes, you've seen me wear it. It is the most exquisite weave, okay, to do it. Okay, sometimes aankhon mein hamesha of course lag sakta hai, but I know that you guys are the connoisseurs of hand woven fabrics, you know. I mean, yes, I absolutely firmly believe that. So you will know the variation, this hand painted touch weave effect that we have given. Incredibly difficult to make, but so perfect with the Sona, the Rupa, the cream. This one piece is going to be, I've done a same on same. You could do same on same, you could do a plain bottom, but this kurta, I tell you, itne looks cross karayega aapko. You will be able to do so many different looks with it. Wear it with red, wear it with green, wear it with blue, purple, whatever. But now look at this, how perfect this is. This is our jal dupatta, and it's so pretty. And I will come back to that more. But this is going to be this season's essential, you know, absolute essential, because you're going to be wearing it with so many looks. And here you go, this grand of a dupatta in a newest design, border, jal, all those things, keeping the craftsmanship, you know, intact, how we always make it. This is a brand new design for you to see. And look at the tassels. And yes, there are so many pieces without any figures. You know, that is what we are doing so that we can give you the whole variety. Many of you love figures, and for that we have lots of collections which are figure based. But I know many of you do not want that, and therefore we have also the grandest collections in that. Now there you go. This is, okay, one of the very few Chandrakonas right now that I have, and this is in our Kesari signature color. Okay, so I think I remember somebody was chatting with a, you know, with a client, and of course there was a lot of conversations that zari wale jo hain unke prices is piece se kam kaise hain, you know, because those are like looking grand, and this is like all bandhani, and there is of course a karwa border. But why is it that this will be more than that? Okay, now there is lots that can be said about it, but let me tell you that when you make a design such as this one, this is a heritage design of Chandrakona design. Chandrakona aapko yahan dikhega, you can see the chand in the middle and the entire kone ki design jo bandi hai. So it's very literal, and that's how, you know, used to work, right? Traditionally they used to make it very simple for anybody to understand. But when you make a design as intricate as this, all by hand, single knots getting placed to do it, it is a skill of different level altogether. So yes, these will be our most premium pieces. Of course, the zari ones have a very opulent, very beautiful grandeur. That's the look of them. When you like subtle beauty, when you like the story, you know, the story behind it, and it's a very different look. It's an ultimate beauty, you know, and yes, it's probably, it's you know, something that you need to know more to appreciate the beauty of this piece. But it is grandness. It's very subtle. It's just a statement that you make. It's a piece of collection that you have in your wardrobe. Okay, that's what I say about all our Chandrakonas. And yes, now with it, we have made the most beautiful combination, which is what I wanted to kind of show it to you. This, so when I was saying, right, remember I said that I'll show you the Georgette dupatta, और अगर आप उसके साथ एकदम exact same combination कैसा लगेगा, this is how it will look. Very beautiful, a grand Georgette dupatta, and you can see it right here. There you go. Let's see that. That's your kurta, that's your dupatta, and this is also a premium weaves in our Georgette fabric, and with plain silk bottom. You want to increase the beauty of it, go for a liquid gold bottom. That's also something that's going to look amazing with it. 1 2 3 4 जो ये last 4 pieces हैं okay, they are each one, I mean, honestly today's live was like that, but yes, we keep taking notches up when even we show every piece that we have. And now what I'm going to show you is this beauty right there. This is our Ektar suit, the one that we have now in red. Every piece is taking the most phenomenal time for us to make. Okay, so this design, we made it again in this beautiful red, one off. This is a single and do tar, but most of it, the jali, everything that you see is an ek tar work. and along with it, of course, the dupatta that is there, that's the dupatta. Look at that, here it is. But I will come back to the kurta because the kurta is the entire look of this piece. It's unbelievable. This design that we have, it is all about the grandness of this kurta and not a speck of zari. You can wear it with the most dressiest, of course, dupattas that you have. But I do think that the red on red, now look at that. That's the kurta. This is the front work that you're seeing. See the detailing that you have to see. Okay. Now I will show you the back. Now, whether it's this Lucknowi suit that we have, the chikankari work that we make, it's a very, very slow work. Honestly, we started working about 2 years back with the karigars in Lucknow and of course surrounding areas, and I am from Banaras, so that's my whole heritage, whole history is with Banaras. So I always see a very different feel just to the whole community, to the weaving community, to the whole culture. It's very different. Banaras, of course, we do have a lot of loom capacity. We do make a lot of pieces, all handloom at a very, very fast speed. But यहाँ का नजराना थोड़ा अलग है, it goes at its own sweet pace, and that is why you're only seeing the second time of this piece coming. Now look at that, that's the back, which is why I wanted to actually show it to you. ये इसका back है. Now let's show you the piece. Now look at that, that's the sleeves. Such extensive detailed work, all there, all in the single color of red. That is so beautiful. And up it, wear it in so many different ways really, but classiness, elegance at another level. Or isi ke aaj paar ke, when I say isi ke takkar ke, I'm going to show you, 3 options right away iske baad. So that's the one that you have seen. एक मिनट मुझे इसको सीधा करके मुझे दिखाने दीजिए. Can't see something which is straight up. There you go. So that's the kurta. Let's give one more glimpse of the dupatta, which is also just what you need. A light dupatta with detailing all in this star work. Now there you go. So that's one piece for you from this range. Now I'm going to go into this. Yes, I'm going to go into our latest newest design in Sachi Zari, and there you go. This is what I'm showcasing to you and launched just a few days back. This is our latest design. So we have a lotus design that we make in our real Zari suits, and this is the second one that's come. And just look at that dupatta, look at the beauty of the motif, so delicate. So again, we've done a version of lotus, but you can see how the petals are so spread out. It's just our take on that. And with it, that's the kurta that you're going for. और मैं ये kurta आपको खोल के दिखाती हूँ. All the zari that you're seeing in this piece, yes, it's real zari. The bottom में भी एक पूरा पट्टा है of the real zari that you will be using, because when you're wearing something like that, from top, from head to toe, it has to be perfect. I'm just opening it. Lot of fabric in it. पूरा 3 मीटर का आपका कुर्ता है, 2.5 मीटर का bottom है. Everything that you see in terms of its zari is a real silver zari. And now look at that. That's the whole. Look at all of that. This entire base of zari. There you go. That's your piece. So yes, you have one red, one beautiful one real zari blue set. Okay. Also exquisite. Now each one has its own speciality. From that, I'm going to move on to one of our classics from Hiranya in this color. And it's going to be this beautiful gold. Now, what is the speciality of this? The weave, the jangla, the karwa, all of that, and also the most beautiful border that you will see. Just give me a moment to place it up for you in the way that I want to show. Yes, that's the border. Now, look at that. What you're seeing here is the border, this beautiful color. It's a cream. It's a karwa, sona, rupa work. The border is also there on the bottom. ऐसी आपको 3 borders मिलती हैं. Okay, now let's show you that one perfect look with it, because now I'm going to open the dupatta, which is our jal design in this. The cleanest, most beautiful work in Katan, in Karwa, as a suit set. This can only be bought as a suit set. But first things first, enjoy the beauty of the border, that touch of red which makes it so perfect. The rupa, which is just there to pop out the gold even more, and that's your stunner. So that's your option 3 in this range of suits that you're looking at today. Of course, आज का live ही वैसा है. हमने जहाँ पहले भी we have shown you Sachi Zari, we have shown you the most exquisite silks. Okay, so there you go. Here it is, and the last piece that we have for you, and that's what we are going to come to. So, okay, just very quickly. This border is what you're going to be seeing. Let's show that to you. This is the border that is there. You're going to get 3 borders of this with that set, which you can use all around down, or you can use it on bottom and sleeves, or you can be doing a straight kurta and niche. So all of that is possible. The very last is our fabric, our Jangla Jal fabric, and yes, this is our latest color in it that you're seeing. ये एक अलग ही चीज है, you know, which is what you're seeing is about, I think we've been trying to include, yes, so now this is about 8 meters in over 75 days of consistent work. That's this fabric. So जाल है, कड़वा है, मीनाकारी है, सोना है, रूपा है, all of that in a full width fabric in Katan, okay? And I'm going to show it to you. This, if you will recall, has come only, I think, twice before or thrice before, each time in a very, very unique color. And that's the fabric, what you're looking at. Look at that. Here it is. This gorgeous, gorgeous Jangla Jal, Meenakari, Sona, Rupa, Karwa, full width Katan silk fabric. So that's, ये तो मैं आपको इतने facts बता रही हूँ, because you know the beauty, the story, the creation, the motive, I think that's all there for you to see visibly. You know, that's the whole thing. You know, we are such a product based brand. We bring all of these beauties to you, okay? Making it in fact seem so light कि ये कैसे बना सकते, but it has taken us so much time to be able to get to this design, and each piece taking about 70-75 days for a 7.5 meter to come out. Okay, so when you're wearing this, it's all about this, but sometimes of course you do need the perfect dupatta to complete even a look as grand as this, and therefore here you go. Now look at that perfection right there for you. It's amazing in every manner. There you go. Here it is. Okay, so I think it's just beautiful. Some stunners at the end. We've closed them with that from a most premium collection, in fact. And there you go. So guys, thank you so much for joining in. And as I said, I wanted to show the style of the piece that I'm wearing, so I'm going to show it to you here. This is our signature color of Rozana, and now you can see that. First things first, there you go. That's the whole design of the dupatta in pure cotton, in meenakari, in karwa, made here, right? So now that's the dupatta. It's a beautiful long dupatta. You can kind of make it short if you want, but iska aap look dekhiye, pura look hi isi ka. Now little more about the styling. This is the border that I have used. This border is a part of your kurta fabric. There is also this border which is there in the bottom, but I have reduced it. I'm not too tall, so वो broad border था, उसको मैंने cut करके यहाँ I've given a hot pink touch everywhere. You'll see this pink touch, which is the exact color of the meena, to just kind of make it look better. So that's the final look from this live today. Really be happy to be starting a Monday morning on such a beautiful note. Lots of options to pick up for the wedding season, for the celebrations, and for Ramadan, which is right here. So thank you so much. Have a great, fantastic week ahead. And yes, I will see you soon. Yes, thank you, and see you. Bye.